All right, this is my Google Drive on my account at school. I actually have more than one. I used Google Drive quite extensively at Ole Miss for us to set up and share things. You can see here is some files I already have in here, like my resume, a PowerPoint I did about Africa for my class. Also, here's a group project that I'm currently working on with some students in a different Purdue class. You can see this gentleman here has already been working on stuff that I haven't done yet, so that's not good. Up here, for instance, if you want to share something, you can double click on it. Then up here in the box, it gives you the option to share. If you click on share, then you can put in the names and emails, whoever that you want to work on the project or share with you. You can see I'm sharing this with several other people who are working on this project as well. If you want to make folders, you can say I went ahead and, let me see if I can get this box to move. I went ahead and made a folder today for Purdue papers. There's a folder. There's a folder within the folder for my group project information. If you want to make different folders, all you have to do is left click on your mouse. You can make a new folder. You can add new documents. It's not difficult. And here, same thing. Right click, new folder to make different folders. So yeah, Google Drive is very easy to use, very easy to share with people. Totally recommended if you have to work on group projects long distance.